What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build Cool again. Today we're back to work on a dirt bike to adventure bike build. And in this episode, we're gonna start working on getting this seat all mounted up, which means we're gonna have to start by cutting off the back of this frame. So we'll start there, get this cut off. That will allow us to start figuring out where it's gonna go. We're going to move it upwards. We'll probably clean off some of these brackets and some other stuff that's in the way. And then we'll make some brackets and get this seat mounted. And then I'd like to go ahead, give the tank a good sanding down and spray some primer on it so we can at least stop this rust from happening, because it's really getting out of control. So before we get started, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool. And with all that being said, let's get started. guys, it's the next day here. Yesterday, we were able to go ahead and get the rear of this frame all welded in. The welds aren't the prettiest. I am going to go ahead and clean them up and redo them, but that'll be later once we're able to get the frame all apart, because I still need to finish welding in some areas on the motor mounts and that, but it'll just be a lot easier once it's taken back apart to do all that. So then, by getting this all mounted in, this allows the seat and the tank to flow nice and straight with each other. And then we were able to get that seat mounted in the front, but the rear's gonna have to wait for a later date until we figure out what we're gonna do with this hoop. So as for today, we're gonna go through and start sanding this tank down, hopefully get some primer on it so it'll stop rusting and I don't have to worry about it sitting out here. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we managed to get quite a bit done in this episode, and I'm gonna go ahead and call it a wrap there. We wound up getting the frame, the seat mounted, and then we got the gas tank all sanded and primed. So next week we'll go ahead and start getting that stuff on and make some more progress. Before we get out of here, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool. And while you're at it, be sure to turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time a new episode drops. So with all that being said, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace!